your subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem with your Facebook. So if you see login error on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Facebook app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to check your internet connection. So just if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data or mobile data, just open cellular data or mobile data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to restart your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, just open software update and just wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. Also, you can try to download updates for your Facebook app. So just check updates, just tap on App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write here Facebook. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook application. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.